Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 15th question of the time, speed, distance chapter. So question says a person walks around four sides of a square at speeds of 4 km per hour, 5 km per hour, 6 km per hour and 4 km per hour. Then he takes a rest of 10 minutes and again walks the four sides of the square at the same speeds. In all, he covers a distance of 10 km. Find the average speed of the person. So we know that average speed AS, that is total distance travelled by the person divided by the total time taken for the travel. Total distance upon total time taken. So total distance is given to be 10 km because it says in all he covers a distance of 10 km. So total distance is given to me. Let me write it over here. That is 10 km divided by, I need to find the total time. This is the thing that I am looking at. Now if you look at it, this is a square first of all. So let x be the side of the square. Okay. So now if you look at it, the total distance covered by the person is, if the person starts from here, goes here and comes back here. In one round it is 4x. But then after 10 minutes rest he walks again, so that means 4x plus 4x, so 8x is the total distance travelled, which is equal to 10. So from here we can conclude x will be equal to, then this is 5 upon 4, so x is 5 by 4 km. So this is 5 by 4 km. So each side is 5 by 4 km. Now let us say this is the side 5 by 4 km, this side, let me name it as A, B, C, D. So each of them is 5 by 4 km. The first side is AB, let's say, which is walked at 4 km per hour. So if 5 by 4 km is walked at 4 km per hour, time for this part will be, time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 5 by 4, 5 by 4 divided by 4 if I do, that is 5 by 16, that many hours, okay, for AB. Then let's say BC is travelled at 5 km per hour. That will be 5 by 4 divided by 5. That will be 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 4. Plus the next is 5 by 4 divided by 6. That is 5 by 24. And similarly the last one at 4 km per hour will be 5 by 16. So this is the time taken to cover one complete square. But you are completing the square 2 times. Okay, because it says you walk the 4 sides of the square at the same speeds again. Okay, so the time taken will double. So this into 2. This is the time taken to walk the square twice. But then there is also a rest of 10 minutes. So rest of 10 minutes means that time of 10 minutes should also be included. So everything over here is in hour. So 10 minutes should also be in hour. So 10 minutes in hour is 10 by 60, which is 1 by 6. So this is the total time taken. The thing that I am putting in this bracket. This is the total time taken. Now let me calculate it out over here. So what I'll do is I will copy this in the next slide and we'll do the calculations there. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's, let me copy only this part out of it. Just a second. Not allowing nothing to copy. Anyways, we can do the things over there in the next slide. It is 5 by 16 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 24 plus 5 by 16 again. This all multiplied by 2 plus 1 by 6. Okay, this is the total time taken. So this 2 I can cut it off, this 2 cuts over here, so this 16 becomes 8, this 4 becomes 2, this 24 becomes 12 and this again 16 becomes 8. So now this becomes 5 by 8 plus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 12 plus 5 by 8 plus 1 by 6 at the end. So over here 24 is the LCM, so 8 into 3 is 24, so 5 into 3 is 15, 2 into 12 is 24, so 1 into 12 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24, 5 into 2 is 10 and finally 8 into 3 is 24, so 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, this plus 1 by 6. This is the total time taken. Okay, let me call it as, I'll write it as total time. So now this comes out to be over here 15 plus 15 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40, 40 and 12 is 52. So 52 by 24 plus 1 by 6. 52 by 24 is basically 13 by 6. You divide numerator and denominator by 4. So 13 by 6 plus 1 by 6. That is 14 by 6, which is equal to 7 by 3. These many hours. So my total time is 7 by 3 hours. You already know the total distance is 10 kilometer. So the average speed will be then, average speed, which is what we have to find, is 10 kilometer divided by 7 by 3 of r. So that will be, this 3 goes above. So it becomes 30 upon 7 kilometer per hour. Okay. And that is the right answer. So 30 by 7 kilometer per hour is the right answer to the question.